Okay, so I just thought I'd bring you along really quick to show you how we clean around here. We do not use harsh chemicals like Clorox or Clorox wipes or Lysol or any of that. We use essential oils. That being said, all essential oils are not created equal. I would never go to a store and buy essential oils that say they're 100% pure, because that's a lie. They can say that because the FDA does not regulate essential oils, and they can have one drop of a pure essential oil in a whole bottle and be able to label it 100% pure. So I've done a ton of research, and doTERRA is my go-to essential oil. We love them, we love the company, we love what they stand for. We just love everything about them. And they're a beautiful 100% pure oil. Now Justin is making the bathroom cleaner. He uses a half a cup of baking soda.
Toilet cleaner.
Oh, this is the toilet cleaner, sorry. Half a cup of baking soda, and then he drops Melaleuca or tea tree oil in there because it is antimicrobial, antibacterial. And then we love lime for the same reasons, and lime just smells so wonderful. And you only have to have a few drops of these oils. That's the beauty of doTERRA, and they're 100% pure, is that, you know, a couple of drops of oil is all you need. Then he adds white vinegar to the mix and stirs that up, and it makes a paste, and we pour it in our toilets, and it's so clean and such a great product, and it's not toxic, and we're leaving a smaller carbon footprint, and that's what we love as well. So we're gonna go dump that in the toilet, and then we let it sit for about 15 minutes, and it's clean and smells so wonderful, and it's a beautiful thing. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, bye.